Hey, I am reviewing this high-speed yacht right out of the box. What you get is the high-speed yacht itself. You get this attractive stand that is sitting on, so you don't have to keep it in the box. You can keep it on display if you like. Comes with the USB charging cable and adapter. Not one, but two batteries to power this baby. And it uses one at a time, but it gives you about just under an hour worth of operating time, which is pretty cool. You get the controller here, and you get the owner's manual. Hey, at the end of this short video, you're gonna see 2 minutes of me flying, not flying, but piloting this boat in my pool, and it really can top out at speeds of 20 miles an hour. It really does perform perfectly. I really love it. Hey, it doesn't look or feel cheap, and that's what I love about it. Has an anti-collision rubber housing on it, just to prevent it from getting damaged when in my case, if you operated in your pool and you hit your pool there, it just keeps it from getting damaged. But what I want you to see here is look at the quality of the rudder and all of the hardware, and then also you have the propeller. It is well built. The craftsmanship is good. There is nothing not to like about it, and you get spare parts with it. Hey, I give it a 5-star rating. Just hang in there for this the extended video that's going to show me operating this in the pool. Now, one of the things about it right now, I can't let you hear how it sounds, because one of the things about this, and I love it, is that it actually has to be in water before the controller and the boat will actually pair. And so when out of the water on display like this, there's nothing you can do. But once you put it in the water, turn on the controller, you are ready to rock and roll. Hey, I give it a 5-star rating.